Alright, so we started to explore the power of HTML5. Let's now see what are the editors that should be used when coding with HTML. So, the editors that I recommend are: first, a simple editor like Notepad. This editor is already installed on your device or operating system. Second, Atom. This is also an excellent editor. Third, Sublime Text Editor. It's much better than Atom, but it's still not the one I prefer and strongly recommend. The most premium quality and highly recommended editor that I urge you to install and use is Visual Studio Code. It's one of the most powerful pieces of software out there and by far the most useful. So, Visual Studio Code is the editor that I personally recommend and that I will be using during this course. Alright, so now that we saw the features of HTML5, let's talk about some of the benefits behind HTML5. First, HTML5 is the language that will help us design and code a website from scratch. Like from absolute scratch. Second, HTML5 makes it easier for developers to create terrific websites. Third, users can easily experience those sites regardless of the browser or platform they are using. Fourth, other markup languages such as XML, SGSL are used for developing applications, but HTML5 is the reference when it comes to building websites and is a widely used programming language for website development. So, HTML5 is the reference when it comes to websites, and that's why we're learning it today. So, where and how is HTML5 used in real life? Let's see some concrete examples and try to better understand the use and power of HTML5. So, here is a screenshot of a random website. On the right side, you can clearly see the coding that brought this page to life. This coding consists of HTML tags. Now, if you want to see the coding of any website on the internet, you first need to go to your browser and search for a random website. Let me do this now. Alright, so here you go. I'm now on a website called FinFlow. Once the website has completed loading, press F12 on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can simply right click and then click on Inspect. Alright, so once you successfully click on F12, you will see this sidebar as well as the various tags that are used in designing and developing the website.